How to delete Bing from Chrome. Okay, so in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can get right about if your Google Chrome Google search engine keep changing in Bing search engine. So I'll show you how you can fix it. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open my Chrome browser. Okay, so there is the first step you have to take, that check whether there is any extension which redirect you to the Bing. So how we can check it? Go to this puzzle icon, go to the manage extension. So here you can see the all extension you have installed on your Chrome browser. So first you have to check is there any extension which you don't use or maybe you don't recognize. Just remove from the extension group. Okay, so there is a one extension called Bing redirect or any other extension. Just remove it if you find. Now after that, just come here again and we need to check whether we have select the right search engine. So how we can check it? Just click on three dot option, go to the settings, and at your left side there is a sidebar, option sidebar. So we need to click on search engine, and here we need to select the Google only. Maybe it is select in Bing, so just select Google and come to the manage search engine site, and here you have to check whether Google is the default your search engine. So how you can check it? If this is not default, you can make by default, like just click on three dot option and just make default. Now we have Bing as a by default. Now we need to come to the Google and make it by default search engine. Okay, and the last one you have to check on startup. On startup you have to check if there is third option. Under the third option you need to check if there any other website instead of Google. So you have to add here Google search engine. How to add? Come to the new tab, open the Google search engine, copy this address, and here you have to add the page and paste this and add. It will be add here. If there is another website, just remove from here. Okay, and keep the Google only. Now your problem will be 100% solved. I hope you like this video.